Today, we'll demonstrate how to use the Sanyo Denki Airflow Tester, a portable dual-chamber system with a calibrated rear fan. It balances the pressure between the two chambers for precise airflow measurements. It can also be used to pull airflow through a system and record multiple pressure readings, creating an impedance curve. In this demonstration, we'll measure the airflow of a 1U server. This server is equipped with 3 delta fans, which we will later compare to some alternative Sanyo Denki fans. Here we are selecting the correct size valve for the airflow test. To begin, we cut a hole in a board to cover the server's exhaust. Using tape, we seal the area to ensure an airtight connection, forcing all exhaust air through the airflow tester. Next, we adjust the valves. Turn on the airflow tester and let it run. The airflow test typically takes a few minutes. We get an accurate reading of 1.12 cubic meters per minute. Next, we analyze and compare the results. We start by defining the target airflow based on system heat output and allowable temperature rise. Using our tool, we select the delta fan model with 3 fans to generate its fan curve. By inputting the measured 1.12 cubic meters per minute airflow, we calculate the system impedance curve. This lets us overlay and compare other fans. Here, we compare with a faster Sanyo Denki 9 HVA fan. To achieve the same airflow, you can reduce the speed. These methods optimize cooling and reduce noise, improving efficiency, minimizing turbulence and extending fan lifespan.